Oh, Paul spent summer days jumping from the pier down the harbour. Oh, Paul, you never hear us say, when will we grow up? Oh, when will we grow up?
Right, boys, think we're here.
Well, here, Rowie.
Sausage roll for me.
Rowie.
Fiona, can we have twa rowies and twa sausage rolls in the usual fly, please?
Hang on, you're not getting them in.
Oh, I didn't mind.
Yeah, you got them last time I was here.
Nae bother.
No, it's Colin's turn.
No, I got him a wick of four.
Well, I wasn't here a week before.
I was here a wick of four.
Ah, but for the wick of four, the wick of four.
Was I?
The wick of four, the wick of four. Aye, it was last week that I wasn't here.
No, I wasn't here neither.
No, you wasn't.
How you ken Albert wasn't here if you wasn't here?
Tell us he wasn't going to be here.
Fun was that?
The wick of four.
Can't mind that.
Oh, I mind it fine, because you says to me, that'll be a cheap run for me the day.
Didn't it?
It's shut. It was muttered like, but I heard you are the same.
Well, you missed your shorty. But I paid for all the fly cup.
Aye, but nae for the piece.
Fit?
You didn't pay for the piece.
Aye, but we agreed since it was just the two of us, we'd each pay for our own piece. You didn't pay for the piece.
No, he didn't pay for the piece.
I was paying for the piece.
A boy it gets a fly.
Pays for the piece.
We weren't needing a big piece.
I was fair tricket with the thought of a sausage roll.
Sausage rolls in here are half a fine.
Colin says he was just wanting a penguin.
Aye, just a penguin.
Aye, and he says, since I'm just wanting a penguin, I'll just get my own, because they're only wee.
The last time it was my shorty, you had a sausage roll.
So?
Well, it's bigger than a penguin.
Is it?
Aye. A penguin's thon. A sausage roll you get for here is thon.
Aye, there's nae doubting. A sausage roll's bigger than a penguin.
Sees a menu. Look. Sausage roll, £1.75. Penguin, 25 new pence. Big difference, that.
Well, I wasn't the ken.
Yeah.
And when was the last time you stood your hand like?
A wick of four, Donald.
Is that right, Donald?
Might have been, I can't mind.
I'll tell you what I can't mind. You putting your hand in your pocket and standing your hand.
The last time I was here.
Why, tease like it was hardly an extravagance.
And a penguin.
Oh, look, can you just forget it? Bought fit for fun. God almighty. Does it really matter? I will get the teas.
And the pieces?
And the pieces. I always get the teas and the pieces.
Aye, but proper pieces.
You're not still on about the one bloody penguin, are you?
No! I'm still on it with bloody sausage roll.
Fine.
No, you can't pay.
I can.
No, you can't. How? No, last week doesn't count.
Who nae?
Because it's only when the four of us are here it matters.
Is it?
Aye, and it's your shorty.
I paid no longer for that.
Fine.
Oh, yon day it was roasting.
That's right, Donald. Yon date was sweltering, that's right.
That was 5 months ago.
Never.
Aye, I mind it fine. It was that hate that none of us could be bothered with a piece. Hold on a minute. Now, let's have a look in here, will we?
You're not keeping notes like that in your diary, are you?
Just rare events that seem to stick out. Now, here we go, boys. Here we go. Hellish hate the day. Sweat was running out the back of my bricks.
Very Samuel Pepys.
Colin stood his horn,
See?
which made it a strange day all round.
Are you spying on me, like?
Well, it was just something that seemed to be worth noting.
Well, time fair flies by, eh, boys? Time fair whirls on.
5 months. Let's say 4 weeks in a month. Once a week. It's 20 meetings, that.
Okay. Well, I'll get the teas and Albert can get the piece.
Oh, I'm not getting the piece.
How are you not getting the piece?
The boy that gets the fly gets the piece. So, I will get the hail fly.
Oh, aye. Donald's aye half a keen to get the hail fly.
Well, I'd share with Donald, because he's not a hunger like you.
That's discrimination, that. You can't pie with one pal and nae with another.
Aye, well, you'd have eye for anybody, you grippy sod.
Grippy sod.
Aye, you come here and say that.
Hey, boys, hang on. Keep the heat, eh? I'm going to get the fly.
Aye, Donald, I'll get the fly, so you keep saying.
Well, so I will.
Oh, nae doot. You're aye the first to offer.
I'm just trying to keep the peace.
I'll get the fly, every flaming wick, splashing your cash. God, nae winner Colin gets away with being so ticht.
I'm nae dicht.
Aye, as a Duke's dock.
Aye, he's wrecked there.
Jealous wee minker.
Come on then, come on.
Right. How pals pick you from the ditch when you stole your granny's sherry. How pals, although the pick and dredge, we keep the stories to ourselves. Oh, the stories to ourselves. How pals, we never have to see every day to feel was special. How pals, tales are guaranteed to get better over time. Oh, better over time.